Thanks for watching the Patient Attraction Podcast. I'm Colin, receiver. Now, selling dental case solutions to patients is usually a frustrating business. All too often, new patients respond with suspicion rather than acceptance. To some extent, we can blame bad dentists and corporate dentistry for the problem. More and more news stories are surfacing about dentists who recommend unneeded treatments, not just in corporate practices, but even by private dentists. There are even more stories appearing in the media about botched dental treatment, sometimes with horrific results. Now, you know and I know that these cases are outliers. The general public probably knows that too on a level, but on another level, honorable and capable dentists become tarred with the same brush. It's not fair, but there it is. Dentists are having to work harder to sell themselves and their case solutions because of the actions of a relative few. Dentistry is a trust-based profession at its core. You need to trust the person who's going to be putting their hands and sharp instruments into your mouth and start doing things to you. Anything that impairs that trust makes it harder to get yeses. Now, if you follow this train of thought through to the end, you'll realize that becoming the trusted dentist to your prospects is more important than ever before. And that's a hard thing to convey effectively in newspaper ads, radio, TV, or postcards. Now, these days, the place to begin building trust and rapport with your prospects is starting with the first impression, the internet. 95% of people begin their searches for a new dentist online. That's where they're first going to see your name and begin to form that first impression. Every bit of your marketing has to work together to convey to prospects that you're the right dentist for them, not just the cheapest one. Prospects need to view you as the relatable, likable, trustworthy, authoritative, and expert. They need to come to see you as the best choice to solve their dental problems. And that takes time. It takes consistency and lots of touch points with these prospects. Realize that your web blog, social media, patient testimonials, your own videos have to focus on the exact same goal. And that goal is to convince prospects before they ever set foot in your practice that they can trust you and believe you. And when you accomplish that goal, your new patients are predisposed to believe you when you tell them what care they need. They're also predisposed to agree to pay because they can't see themselves price shopping the doctors they've already invested in. The process I've just described is the essence of what we do with our patient attraction system and what we accomplish for our dentist. Positioning our clients as the best and only logical choice, those with the ability and the willingness to pay more for the right dentist, is all of what we do. And we're helping more than 550 dentists do just that around the world. We help those dentists to get yes way more often. Now, if you're interested in seeing what a patient attraction system can do for your office, the next step is to schedule a practice discovery session. Not to mention, what if we could help you make the selling process much more fun? Now, after the session, we'll send you a patient attraction roadmap that's personalized to your goals, your practice, your market area. We'll show you how you can get to these yeses a lot more often, a lot more easier. Join me for our next podcast. Until then, keep moving forward.